Hello, today I am going to show how we can set up a intersection for trajectory enabled signal controller. So let's start. So we are going to use this file and open it from using ads used a section of this network on using trajectory enabled signal controller. Let's just add another one, and for this one I'm going to select this 1012 signal controller number, 1012 signal controller number. So at first we want to actually set up the controller, and here we do have a demo controller template that is available or within the manager. So just open this one up, and the first thing we need to do is check which phases are actually enabled on this controller. This so it is 4. So it is 4 phase control. So we would go to the A plan. We would just keep these things as is, and we don't need this for now. And now to initiate, I will just start with the free version, free mode. So which is pattern. I would keep one sequence, one plan, one time plan, one load switch. I won't make any changes here, as I mean these are the standard, so I don't need to make any changes. I'm not going to use coordinated, so I'm not going to change anything here. Finally, I'm not going to change any speed. Now we need to change in here. So we don't have any phase points, so I will just deactivate these phases. I want to keep the dual entry simultaneous gap out for phase 2 and 6. And 6. Okay. And I'm not going to change any minimum green, yellow clearance, camera red clearance, and so to change, I need to check the values first. Controller data. Timing plans, minimum gain is 5 for all of them, 1.5, maximum 35, 45, 35, 45. Okay, 40. So all our will be 50. Maximum clearance is 35. So 350, as everything is in deciseconds. Only for 6 is 450. So yeah, I'm not going to set everything right now. Next step is set added initial things like that. That is for secondary extension method. We don't need to do that right now. But we need to estimate the saturation flow and check how many are there, lanes are there, and just put there are two lanes, so maybe I will just do 3500. This one does not have any, but this one is not activated, so we will not count it. And maybe just not. But for now, necessary, we can check, we change these things later. Some of this are not necessary to set up, and critical max is usually I set it up. I mean, this is pre-version, so critical max is not deployed. I will update this later. So I will move this as we are not deploying secondary extension right now. Maximum. Now we are using the pre-version, so only the accurate control detector base. So this should be zone 0. Not need to set up right now. Overlaps to 0 detectors. Okay, so now we need to make changes. We'll now check the detector numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I don't need the 10, 11, and 12. So delete those. Is detector number 1, port number 1 was like this 8. Check again. So extension time. Here you use only 15. Call option 1. Extension option 1. I have put 1 as detector plan number, as in the action plan number we have selected the detector plan number to be 1. Now, yeah, I don't need to make any changes. Here. We will just use the basic base sequence number of 1, 2, 3, 4 in the ring 1 and 5, 6, 7, 8 in ring 2. I will change this when I will set up it for the trajectory enabled part. I don't worry about this right now. I have set up also our action plan to mode 2, so yeah, we do expect. So now our communication, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for another controller, so just change to some random numbers. set up this controller for external neural control. File. Copy and paste this one and rename this to 2012. Dialog table file. This should also be in the building. The same thing here as well. Okay. Now we need to check if it is working or not. So just close it and open up our network. 1012 0. That's fine. It will run it and see what happens. Okay, so it is running at least. So, and yeah, there are other things. I don't. Oh, maybe this is actually randomly getting these values from the we have set up for the other controller. So it randomly getting some values. So this is how we can set up for the detector and run the simulation. Very simple. And in the next video, I will show how we can set up